Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I have heard and seen that baseball caps are very in. They're very trendy. These are the 5 hairstyles for baseball caps that I have come up with. If you're a mom on the go, or life just happens, or you feel like you don't want to do your hair, you just want to throw on a cap with these 5 hairstyles, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so for the first look, I am going to show you just a simple way to throw on hat if you're running out the door, if you're late, or your hair's a mess and you're on day 3 of not washing your hair. I'm on day 2 of not washing my hair. I do have my hair extensions in, so I'm just going to use my baseball cap Adidas one that I got, and I'm just going to make sure that it is all normal. Then I'm going to take the snapback this hat like I said. I'm just going to put it on just like that. Make sure. This is such a cute style. So, and I'll show you what the back looks like too. There you go. So that one is the first hairstyle for baseball caps. So now for the third one, I'm going to try it with my hair extensions in my hair, but if it doesn't work, then I'm going to take them out. So the next 2 looks I'm going to try with my hair extensions in, but we don't know if it will work out or not. I hope it does. So this one is called the low messy bun. So I'm going to take this rubber band, and it has my hair all over it. I'm just going to turn around to show you. I'm going to take all my hair and pull it back. Take some pieces out. Wrap it around this ponytail. One time. And then pull it through, and there you have it. I pulled some hair out. Gonna fix this piece right here, all of it back, and I pulled some things out. Sorry if you can see me. I pulled some hair out. So I do it this way, and when I don't have my hair extensions in. Okay, I'll show you the back. Little messy bun. Now I'm going to take my baseball cap and make sure that everything is normal. I have my hair extension in kind of wrong, so I'm having a hard time putting it on. Okay, it's not, there we go. So, there you have it for the low messy bun look. It actually worked, guys. I mean, better than I thought. So, on to the 4th one. Okay, so now for the second look. This one is super cute. I've seen a lot of people do it, so I'm gonna try it out. I have a rubber band and my hat, it is the half up, half down. So half of your hair is down and half of it is up and like tied in a little bun. So I'm going to try it and see how it turns out. So I am going to start out with my hat. I'm going to put it on. Make sure my hair is flat. And I'm going to turn around and show you guys. See where my hat, right here. So it's right there. So I want it up right here, if you guys can see that. So now I'm going to take the hat off. And I am going to try turning around and doing this so that you guys can see. So I'm taking my rubber band. This is going to be really hard. And I'm just going back. I have to turn around and do it and then show you guys. So, because I have a mirror in front of me. I don't have a mirror behind me. So, I'm just doing it like this. Grabbing it. Oh, that is a lot of hair, I would say. So now I'm just taking it like this in my hand, taking the rubber band, and I'm just pulling it through, wrapping it around. I think it has to be up a little higher. Now I'm turning around and seeing how that is. I don't know if all the hair is in there, but we will try. So now it's half up, half down in a little bun, tie knot, or top knot if you want to say, I guess. Now I'm going to put the Adidas hat on, my baseball cap, and show you. So I'm just gonna go like this, put it on, and put it through, and make sure that it's all together, stable. My head. Then I'm gonna go like this. And there you have it. It is a super cute hairstyle. I will show you what the back looks like and the front. So on to number 3. So for the 4th look with the baseball cap hairstyles, I am going to try this with my hair extensions, and again, I don't know if it will work that well, but we will find out and see. If it doesn't, then I will take them out and redo it again and show you. So I'm taking these 2 rubber bands, and I am going to braid, or try to braid this. So I'm just doing a regular braid. I'm not French braiding or anything because that would be too long and I don't really know how to do it. So I'm leaving the top layer out because I'm using my hair extensions in, but it makes it really cute, I think. So there, I'm almost done with one side of my hair. just gonna leave it out. Then I'm gonna take this rubber band, this pink one, and wrap it around. Then I'm going to do it again on the side. I actually got some hair in there by accident. So now I am going to do it again. And I pulled all of my hair forward. If it looks funny right there, it's because my hair extension's not right, but it's okay. I'm just braiding it again, like so. Oh, I messed up. Try it again. If you mess up, always try again, because you might get it right the second time. So, and I got these hair extensions off Amazon. I think they're called Young Me or something like that. They're pretty good. So they were about 80 bucks. So and just keep braiding and braiding till you're almost to the end. So I'm just gonna tie it around. And there you go. You have pigtails. So all of my hair, I'll show you. Like all of my hair extensions are braided. This is my real hair. You can see that real hair extensions. Then I'm going to, most people leave some hair out because it looks cuter. So then I'm going to put my hat on and there you have it. The braided look. I like it. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. I like it without my hair extensions and with hair extensions. So on to the fifth one. So for the fifth one, it's kind of like the half up, half down one that I did the hairstyle, but it is a little bit different. I'm going to show you with this hat first. I'm going to put it on like this. Then I'm going to, instead of putting it right here in the middle like I did, I'm going to put it right down below. So I'm just taking it like so, wrapping it around again, then doing a knot. And this one is super cute. And there you have it. I don't know what the back looks like, but it is super cute. I have seen it in pictures and on YouTube and all sorts of places, Facebook, everywhere. So I will be back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the 5 baseball cap hairstyles. I hope that this hair tutorial on the baseball caps was very helpful to you because they are super cute, and like I said in the beginning, they are very trendy, and if you're on the go and your mom, or you're just busy, your mom and busy, or you just don't want to do your hair because you don't feel like it, these are the most 5 easiest hairstyles I have ever come up with. So please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.